Hello everyone and welcome to Vlogmas Day 6. Oh my goodness. Yeah, I'm a little echoey right now. I'll open that. See if that helps a little bit. But I'm going to clean up some makeup brushes. I just put one of the girls to nap. So that should help. And give me some time to get some of this done. This is my little Beauty Blender Bar Cleanser. They all smell like peppermint, which is really cool. We just went through a bunch of her toys from her toy box, and I'll be showing you those in a minute. Come on, pick up the bar. So, yep, I'm just going to clean some makeup brushes, and I will be showing you the stuff we got out of the toy box after this. Enjoy watching me clean some gross makeup brushes. I actually used this today. I've been saving these to try and record some Vlogmas stuff for you guys. Oh man, that is such cold water, but if I do it any warmer, it gets louder and oh well. I have a mug here full of brushes, like whew, and it says do what you want, do what you love. Wow, apparently I'm still tired. And figured I should use the whole bar since the one upstairs is pretty much all done with and disgusting at this point in just very tiny little chunks. Purple brush from the full face of highlighter video, which will be going up the same day this does. For that. And I'm going to and that is how you clean a crap ton of makeup brushes. I don't know how I got them all in that little mug. That was obnoxious. Just a little mug with the little rock. We're just gonna drop everything. Ay, ay, ay. That side needs to go down. How did I have all these in here nicely? Like, whoa. In. And the one I dropped. That and that. A giant amount of clean brushes. They are not all going to stay in here, but yeah. On to the next task. The little one usually naps for about 2 hours, so we don't have too long to get going. So, to the next room while those dry. Alright, so into the living room, same spot as always. I'll start going through and picking out some stuff that I'll sell at a garage sale, or I have a box here for stuff I would like to give to the kiddos. My boyfriend's sister. So, nannies. We have, and is Lucy about to go be naughty? Dress up. Yeah. Actually, I should check the size. I know they need 4 or 5T, so that is 4-6. 4-6 also. Oh. The youngest, she's almost 5, but she's wearing 6T already, pretty much. So 5, got this for Zoe last year for her birthday. Little ladybug costume. Little like leotard with the poofy skirt. It's so cute. And the box is getting pretty full already. This is not going to fit them, sadly. Little dolly. Yeah, Zoe surprised me with how well she was decluttering. Little piggy. Cute little animal there. Oh man. A doll. You're not gonna fit, are you? Uh-oh. Maybe I can make it fit. Barbie purse. Couple outfits for Barbies here. Doll hats, since they're getting the dolls. I'm gonna put the Barbie outfits in the little Barbie purse, along with some Barbie accessories, and apparently a doll brush. And a Squishmallow pillow. Got. Oh geez. I don't know how I'm gonna shut that. That's that. Felt like there was a lot more. But we do have a few random Happy Meal toys. Random food item and spoon. Chocolate toy. Little horsey. Actually, I have a plan for that. Don't need those little things. So that is that, and I'm going to tape this shut if I can. And wrap that as well, as I did with the box of clothes that I am sending over. She got her present, one of her presents yesterday. So one of the little water fountains with the little flower where the water comes out. She immediately loved it. Speaking of the baby, she's coming right over. Is this gonna be for you? Is that gonna be for you? Should we say hi to everyone? Please? Hi. Yes, didn't claw me again. But, all right, I'm gonna get that together and we'll see what I put next. We did vacuum her room already, which I'm not including footage of her. So, well, not Lucy's room, the girly room. So cute. But if you can keep a secret, next week when they aren't here, we are going to be putting up Zoe's big Christmas gift. It's a bed. It's an actual bed. And I'm very excited. You know, I felt bad. It's just she's had a box spring and a mattress on the floor, and her sister's got a nice bed. So, gotta make it a little more fair. And I'm gonna end this because Lucy's about to go after my water again. Okay, here we go. So that is Lucy's new water bowl. I need to refill her food, but she decided earlier today to dump a good chunk of it out. You gonna get a drink? No? You just want to smell everything? Okay. Yeah. But it's not the quietest thing, but it's kind of cool looking. And apparently my fingers are gonna be in shot. What you doing now? You coming over? You gonna go get a drink? You want to show everyone how you drink? No? Go get a drink. No, no, no drink? But yeah, that's her little food setup temporarily. I do want to make it a little better, but I have not quite figured out how I want to do that. Also, the new vacuum, right up there. Woohoo! Woohoo! Alright, we're gonna sign off and end Vlogmas Day 6 with Lucy here. You can stare at her beautiful face while I end this, or the side of her head. But thank you all for watching, and I hope to see you tomorrow for Vlogmas Day 7.